Alright, I'm going to back on this. Alright, so I'm going to clean this up a little bit and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I'm done. It's not going to be a lot different, but it's just a little smoother, more even radius all the way around and slightly better looking. Being a round weld on tube, it sure isn't round. But it cuts nice. The head though, not so much. The head's not letting me get a real good finish. It's so soft. Everything's getting tangled up down in here. Alright, so there's all smoothed up. So we got more equal radius all the way across. You can see how it grinds real nice on the port, on the weld on spigot. It's a lot harder. So it leaves a better finish. When you get into the original head, it's just really, really soft in there. So it's really hard. It wants to gum up and get real rough real quick. And cut out fast, so that's not good either. But I got nice, you can see I got nice good radius sweeping in there all the way around both sides. So I'll blend it in pretty good. So that's what you want. So I cut that lip off that was on the spigot. There's a little bit of a hump right here. It's not quite round right there. It's like a little hole. That's probably where it was all bent in. Assuming that's what the problem is, but I don't know. I don't feel on the outside, but it definitely had something on the inside that wasn't very nice. Alright, so I'm going to go back over here. Take a look at this here. Right at this angle here. You see that's what I'm feeling right into here. A little bit apparent low spot in there. So I'm just going to lightly blend this here. You're right here. Basically the same thing as I just did on the rest of it. I haven't ground down here all the way down in there, so basically I haven't done this part yet, really. We hit it from both sides, but not dead center, so you can't get it as good. You don't do it in one spot. Alright, I'm not sure what you're going to see here, but we'll see. So this is going to flatten out the port coming out. Yep. And then the other one will get down deep in there. Definitely feel the unevenness right there. You get a nice good wrap like that without any kind of hump, you know it's good. And it feels a lot better now. Feels a lot better. Alright. Yeah, the damn tripod. Okay, so I took all that low spot out that was in there. That's nice and smooth. It's got a good radius going all the way around like that with a cutter. We blended it over here, blended it over here. I have not cut it all on the bottom of the hole, so that's stock. It doesn't really do much because it has a big hole right there. It drops down, so it doesn't really do anything for flow by doing anything down there. It's just a big low spot. It'd be best if it was filled up. Put about a ½ inch layer of welding rod in there to make it weld a lot better, but oh well, that's what Harley did. Probably could cut it out a little bit too. A little welding, a little cutting. Combination of both, make a nice round port coming right out. But that's not what we have, so. And you look on this side, go, ugh, that's horrible over here. So that's we're gonna work on that. So right now I got a good shot to work on our intake port. So I think I'll cut up here real quick and give it a quick shot right in there. Clean it up. I have to work on that anyway, so might as well get a little cut in there. First thing I do is I smooth up the throat of it with this. And you're standing where I need to go. Camera gets in my way, I can't work. So this I just clean up. I just clean up the inside throat of the bowl. I kind of let the steel seat be the guide. There's a slight funneling effect to it, but not much. Oh yeah. Finish one away. Trying to make it a little bit better, and it started loading up, made it worse. Alright, so I got that nice cleaned up that way now. So it's a lot smoother through there. It's a little bit bigger where the aluminum is, not much. Biggest thing it doesn't pinch in, so it funnels out now a little bit. Now I'm just going to deburr that edge a little bit. My cutter here, slightly radius this edge. Let's break the sharp edge, basically what we're doing. No heavy cutting. That will kill airflow big time. All radius right there. You want to keep at least a good ½ inch straight if you can. I got the radius a little bit bigger than I normally would, but the port's such an undercut on the back side, I'm sacrificing a little bit of flow here to help smooth up on the other side. Over here I didn't do that because that's a sharp edge. I'm going to keep it sharp. This thing will come in like this, and the air is not going to make a 90-degree turn and come back this way. It's actually going past 90 degrees, the airflow is going that way, it's going to come back this way. It's like a 120-degree turn. Air isn't going to do that. That's why they don't flow that well. No fixing that. Air don't like turning. Alright. Jump down here where it's all before it there. I'll clean that up. This. Pretty hard to videotape this and show you what's going on, but figure it out on your own. Okay, we're just going to knock off the high turd and not do much else here. It's kind of gone. I'm going to go ahead and radius it all in like I did the other side. And that is some gummy ass aluminum. Alright. See, that's all blended in there now. Smooth it up there a little bit. Now I can go in there and do my radius trick. You can see the original casting still way down in there. There's a big turd sticking down there, a casting turd. It's been in there since new. We're going to get rid of that. It's like a little fang sticking up. It's not going to split the airflow and make it better. Alright. So took the sharp edges off up in there. Same on that side, nothing too carried away. Probably come back and do a little more deeper right there. You can see how the top of those turds are right there. There's two of them. So there's only one I could see before, now I can see more. Alright, so there's a spot coming through there I can't really get to. So I'm going to work that just a little bit more. Kind of make it more of a donut shape in there. Alright. I don't want to do more damage than what's already in there, but just going to clean them up a little bit. So you got the two turds knocked down pretty good. You can see the radius is still on the back side, still up in there. I have not made a big damage in here. That little nick right there is already in there. That's a low spot. Do not grind that out. It's not going to help. Make it worse. But I did grind a lot deeper down in there. There's a little bit of a turd way down in there. Kind of a sharp shelf I cut off a little bit. Got better access from this other way coming this way. See my finger in here? Got better access from the other side. Alright, so that's about all we're going to do on that. Okay, this one over here. Still a little rougher than I like it to be through here, but there's such a difference in cut between the hard stuff here and the really soft stuff here. It's hard to get a good finish going. It just wants to dig in and cut out. We can get that soft so easy. You gotta learn how to stop and quit screwing it up more than you helping. It's always fun.